Are you looking to create an album on Facebook but don't know how? In this video, I will show you exactly how to easily and quickly create your own personal album. After watching this video, you'll know the basics of creating a new album, customizing it with an album name, adding photos and videos, and sharing your album with others. Plus, I'll discuss some key features like privacy settings that will help you secure your albums from unwanted visitors. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile application and then tap on these three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on the menu page, tap on your name to go to your Facebook profile. Then, scroll down a little and tap where it says, Photos. After that, tap on Albums. And now you have the ability to create a new album. So go ahead and tap on Create Album. And then enter an album name. And now you can select the privacy setting for your album. By default, it is set to public, but you can tap on that to change it. So now, what you want to do next is select who can see your post. You can select public, friends, friends except, specific friends, or only me. So depending on your personal preference, select anything that you like. Once you do that, tap Done at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap the Save button. And now you have created your album, and all you have left to do is add photos or videos to it. Simply tap on Add Photos or Videos and select them from your gallery. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.